How to clarify when you don't understand professionally. The executive way to clarify. Sometimes you don't understand what someone said. Maybe they spoke too fast. Maybe the idea was unclear. Maybe you missed a detail. But here's the truth. Executives don't pretend. They clarify quickly, politely, and professionally. Today, I'll teach you the exact techniques American professionals use to ask for clarification without sounding confused. Fix misunderstandings early. Keep the conversation moving with confidence. Protect credibility while asking for help. Let's begin. Why clarification is a leadership skill. Most English learners think asking for clarification is a weakness, but inside American companies, it's the opposite. Clear communication equals efficiency, accuracy, and trust. Leaders clarify because they want the correct information. They value precision. They don't waste time. They protect the team from mistakes. So from now on, don't say, "Sorry, my English is bad." Instead, use professional tools that show confidence, not insecurity. Softening tools. Polite but professional. Before you ask your question, use a softening tool. This keeps the tone friendly and professional. Here are the top softeners executives use. Softening tool. 1. Just to make sure I understand. This shows responsibility, not confusion. Example. Just to make sure I understand, the deadline is Friday, correct? Softening tool 2. Let me confirm something. Short, direct, confident. Example. Let me confirm something. Are we reviewing the new data or the old report? Softening tool 3. Can I clarify one point? This is the executive standard. Example. Can I clarify one point before we continue? Softening tool 4. I want to be aligned on this. This sounds strategic and high level. Example. I want to be aligned on this. Are we presenting or only observing? What to say when you miss a detail. You don't need to apologize. You don't need to explain. Just ask clearly and calmly. Use one of these to phrase right. 1. Could you repeat the last part? Professional, neutral, not emotional. Phrase 2. What was the part after? Shows you followed most of the message. What was the part after the timeline update? Phrase 3. Which option are we choosing? Great when the team lists too many ideas. Phrase 4. What's the priority here? If you feel overwhelmed or unsure, ask this. Executives use it constantly. When something is unclear, but it's not your fault. Sometimes the speaker is vague. The instructions are confusing. The explanation is too long. Use these polite diplomatic tools. Framework. 1. When you say X, do you mean Y? A powerful clarification technique. When you say update, do you mean rewrite it or only add comments? Framework 2. How should I interpret this? Sounds very senior. How should I interpret this change to the budget? Framework 3. What's the expected outcome? Used daily in American offices. Fixing a misunderstanding. Politely. Executive tone. If you misunderstood, don't panic. Simply correct with calm confidence. Phrase 1. Let me restate to be sure we're aligned. Then repeat the information in your own words. This instantly fixes any confusion. Phrase 2. Thanks. I had a different understanding. You're not blaming anyone. You're simply resetting the conversation. Phrase 3. Got it. So the key point is, this closes the loop and brings clarity. Clarifying in meetings without interrupting. Interrupting at the wrong time can feel rude. Here is the professional technique. Step 1. Wait for a natural pause. Do not interrupt mid-sentence. Step 2. Use a soft opener, quick clarification, or before we move on. Step 3. Ask the short version of your question. Is the report daily or weekly? Step 4. Confirm understanding. Great, that helps. This is how executives interrupt politely. The three-step clarification formula. Here is the formula American professionals use. Step 1. Softener. Just to make sure I understand. Step 2. Clarification question. Are we focusing on revenue or user growth? Step 3. Alignment confirmation. Perfect, thanks for confirming. Memorize this. Use it everywhere. High-level clarifying questions. Senior tone. If you want to sound more senior at work, use strategic questions. What does success look like for this task? What's the main driver behind this decision? What does the timeline depend on? These questions show maturity, not confusion. Quick practice. I'll give you a situation. You choose the best clarifying response. Situation 1. Your manager says, "We need the report cleaned up by Friday." Best response. Just to confirm, do you want a rewrite or a light edit? Situation 2. A colleague explains too fast and you miss a detail. Best response. Could you repeat the part after the budget update? Situation 3. A client gives vague instructions. Best response. When you say optimize, do you mean reduce cost or improve speed? Clarifying is professional, not weak. Asking for clarification does not mean your English is bad. It means you care about accuracy, and accuracy is executive. Use these tools daily, and you will sound more confident, more prepared, and more professional in every conversation. The Executive English Coach. Professional, confident, clear. Thanks for watching. The Executive English Coach.